Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to guide you step by step on how to recover your Cloudflare account login. Losing access to your Cloudflare account can be stressful, but following these steps will help you regain entry safely and quickly. Step 1. Go to the Cloudflare login page and enter your registered email address. Step 2. Click on the Forgot Password link below the password field. Cloudflare will send a password reset email to your registered email address. Step 3. Check your inbox for the password reset email. If you don't see it, make sure to check your spam or junk folder. Step 4. Open the email and click on the password reset link. Create a new, strong, and unique password to secure your account. Step 5. If your Cloudflare account has two-factor authentication enabled, you will need to enter the code from your Authenticator app or use your backup codes after resetting your password. Step 6. Once you've reset your password and entered any necessary verification codes, log into your Cloudflare account as usual. Step 7. If you are still unable to access your account, contact Cloudflare support. Provide details such as your account email and any associated domains to help them verify your identity and restore access. Following these steps should help you recover your Cloudflare account without losing any settings or data. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more useful tutorials.